Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So in this video I'm doing a creamy coconut dal, which is a Sri Lankan style dal. Not normally the way I make it at home. I don't normally use coconut milk in my dals. So I've tried to try something different. It's a quick and easy style dal to use. Obviously I don't have coconut milk today, but I'm using desiccated coconut to see how that works. Right, so first we need to soak those lentils in some water while we're preparing the rest of the ingredients. So we've got some lovely fragrant cardamom seeds. So you just want to bash those in your pestle and mortar just so it releases the seeds slightly. So when it cooks, all that flavour will kind of amalgamate into the dal. So first we're going to temper our spices in some oil. I've used coconut oil here, so I've got some cinnamon stick and some cardamom, and that goes in, just give that like a good mix. So the spices only need about 30 seconds, so you don't want them to burn, so just like so it releases the aroma. So next in goes your onions, loads of onions. I find that cooking down your onions really makes a difference in a dal to how it tastes at the end. So I've added some mustard seeds here as well, so again it's just building more flavours for your dal, and then in goes finely chopped garlic and ginger. So drain those lentils and then add the lentils into the pan. Red split lentils really don't take that much long to cook. It probably will take about 20 minutes and it will get all lovely and creamy. And then to this dish I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. I love turmeric, it's got so many health benefits and it's super great for you. So in goes some water and some salt for seasoning, and you just let that bubble away on the hob. About 5 minutes before the end of cooking, I've added my desiccated coconut, and I'm just going to give that a mix through and let that cook a little bit on the hob so it mixes in with those flavours. You can add a coconut cream or coconut milk if you do have, and let that bubble away gently. And then finally a touch of green, so I've got some kale there and some spring onion. I'm just going to mix that in, it just gives it a lovely vibrant colour. So once the dal is done, it goes super creamy and unctuous and delicious. You can have it with rice and rotis. It's great even to keep it in the freezer for another day, it's perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe for more videos from me coming up during the week. If there's anything you want me to cook, let me know in the comments below, and please share with friends and family and spread the word. Thanks.